is the best food on the planet. Man, all this fruit sugar is really making me, really making me lean. Because I obviously need more protein or something. All right, everybody, how's it going? Thank you. I just want to give a big shout out. Thank you so much. 3,000 subscribers. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Where's all my fruit lovers at? Got these oranges. Juicing it with my new juicer. Really excited. This is gonna be my 3,000 subscriber special. So excited for you guys to be here. I'm so excited that, you know, my content is resonating with you. And this is just gonna be a big, you know, thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you. This is something that I've been really thinking about for a while, and I'm just excited that this YouTube channel has really connected with you and my content has really resonated with you all. So thank you for taking the time to be here, and I appreciate it. So, yeah. Alright, I want to do kind of like a comedy. I want to do like a comedy special because I've been getting a lot of. There's a lot of people that are afraid of fruit. All right, there's a lot of people that are afraid of natural energy, that are afraid of happiness. All right, and that's what this channel is about. We need to really take charge of what's happening here. So, I mean, I'm gonna read a few of these comments that are really funny. I hope you don't drink all those fruits alone. Fruit sugar in abundance may lead to diabetes. Just saying, love. And here's my next one that's so funny. All right, this is the one, okay? Right here, you gotta realize all that fruit sugar is pure sugar and that green powder is easily oxidized and it just goes bad quick. Okay, this is what I need to address here. Okay, this is what's going on right now is there's a lot of people that have this programming that they think, you know, fruit sugar is bad, okay? Let's really break that down here, all right? Fruit sugar, right? This is fructose. This is 100% natural sugar that is made for our human body. Now, processed sugar is obviously bad and acidic, all right? And it is not good for our body. This is alkaline. This creates energy in our body. This is electricity. This is vibrant energy. What in yoga we call this prana inside these oranges that I'm gonna put inside my body when I make orange juice. And that's the best way to have the most energy in your life because nature has your back, right? That's the thing is you gotta understand that this is a very natural approach to health. Are you gonna trust the synthetic chemical world of, you know, chemotherapy and blah, blah, blah? Or are you gonna trust nature? Are you gonna trust the power of fruits and vegetables, right? It's really that easy when you think about how you can make these changes in your life, right? Now, I wanna juice some oranges for these people that just don't even have a clue how good fruit is for you, especially in high amounts. This is for all those people out there that think fruit is bad. All right, cheers everybody, cheers. Cheers. Ugh. Man, all this fruit sugar is gonna make me sick. All this fruit sugar is just gonna make me have diabetes. All this fruit sugar is just gonna make me feel like crap. It's not gonna give me any energy. I gotta do this, ready? This is for the fruit. This is for all those people out there that think fruit is bad. Right here. All right, see what I'm talking about? Fruit is the best food on the planet. Man, all this fruit sugar is really making me, really making me lean. Because I obviously need more protein or something. I must be deficient. I must be not getting enough vitamin C or something. I must be just living a lie, I don't know. Cheers, guys. Thank you for being here. All my fruit people, all my fruit lovers, all those people here for the experience of life, to experience your soul, your true identity. This is for you. Cheers, much love. Still going, still going. Man, I feel like crap. All that fruit sugar has really just got me low energy. Bummer. Man, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. All this fruit is just making me crazy. Oh man. Thank you guys so much for being here. More fruit. Let's help as many people as possible have more energy. Let's get as much fruit into as many bodies as possible. Join the community, join the satsang. We're here for love. We're here for compassion. We're here for helping others live a healthy, happy life. Thank you so much for being here. You guys enjoy this rest of your day. Much love.